Hey, I'm Rosco and you're watching Rosco Reviews. Today I have a dishwasher that's not draining the way it's supposed to, and I started to take it apart and clean it out already, and then I decided, you know what, this would be a good teaching opportunity. So let's look what's wrong with it. So in your dishwasher, I had to run the drain cycle 3 times to get it to drain all the water out of here, so it's draining really slow. And that tells me that the pump is working, it's just clogged up. So if you pull the drawer out, you can see this screen in the bottom. What we need to do is remove the screen part. There are different styles of dishwashers that are set up different ways. Sometimes the drain hole is in the back right corner. This one's right here in the middle, so we're going to pull this screen out and look underneath it. Some models you have to remove the sprayer here to get down to the screen part, but that's okay. They just kind of pop off. Pull it a little bit, and that'll pop off. And on this one, you'll unscrew this piece to remove the screen. Now, some of them, if it's the ones that are in the back part there, you just have to put a screwdriver under the edge of it, and then they pop out. They're just kind of clipped in there. So we'll remove this middle part. You'll need to take this to the sink and clean it out. I already started to clean this one off. And then underneath the screen here, you see how much gunk builds up on the back of this. We want to clean all that off. And then down in here is where the drain hole is, and you need to clean all this gunk out of here. Once we get all this cleaned out, the dishwasher should be draining much, much better. So this is just a reminder to rinse your dishes off really well before you put them in here so you don't get all of your food stuff down here in the drain. So let's clean it up and then see how well it drains. If you have a dishwasher that smells bad, this is probably what's causing that too. So if you're getting a rotten food odor smell coming out of your dishwasher, then go ahead and take off that screen and clean out the inside of it, and that'll probably go away. I've cleaned this out the best that I could with some paper towels, and I'm going to run it through a couple of times to clean out whatever residue is still in here. Once you get it like this, that's pretty close to clean, you'll put some dish soap in there and run it through, and the rest of this should clean up and get on out of there. If you want to put a shot back in here and try to suck out the rest of this, that wouldn't be a bad idea. I just don't have one with me, so I'm going to go ahead and run it and see how well it's draining now. The dishwasher will go back together in the reverse order of how it came apart. So I'm going to put the screen back in there and put the little cup back in there. Screw this little doodad back on. Then this piece will snap back on the top. Slide the drawer back in. We're going to run it and see how well it drains. You can tell how well a dishwasher is draining by looking down in the garbage disposal and see the water draining out into the garbage disposal. It's coming out of there pretty good right now, so I do have a clear line coming out of my dishwasher.
I hope this solved your problem too. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.